friends.
Hey guys, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe, because why not? Like, you're already watching this video, you already clicked on this video, you might as well like, you might as well comment, you might as well turn on post notifications on so you can be notified when I drop another video, because I'm dropping video on video on video on video. Okay, so if you watched one of my last videos, in that video I said I was going to show y'all how I made the tops I was wearing in that video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how I make some trendy summer tops. These tops are like shirts that you can just wrap around any type of way and it look good. So if you want to see how I made all of these shirts, stay tuned. And before we get into this video, like, comment, and subscribe. For this shirt, I'm just going to cut out a strip from the dress going straight down. Now I'm going to cut a strip from the rest of the pieces. Okay, so now I have a shirt and a string. Okay, so with this shirt, I'm going to take these two pieces, turn the good side facing up and turn the top piece good side facing down. And align the ends together. And just pin the two ends. Then do the same thing for this side. Then I'm just going to sew these two ends together and these two ends together. Okay, so I'm going to make two shirts out of this one shirt. Very simple. I'm going to turn the shirt to the side, cut a straight line first, all the way to the other end. Then I'm going to cut a piece down, kind of wide enough to cover up your chest area. But I don't have a lot, so it don't have to be that wide. The shirt is like this. Cut this part in half. And boom, one shirt is done. Just a long piece of fabric. Okay, so for this first top, the long, super long piece, all I'm going to do is hem the sides just to make it a little cleaner. Like this. I'm going to do that to both sides. This, and then just keep going down the whole thing. So this is the whole thing. Pin, this is the one end and this is another end, and this is all the freaking middle. I'm just gonna sew a line all the way down the whole piece of fabric and then sew a line down this part right here.
said it's something in the way that you look at me.
The next shirt gonna be a little bit skinnier. For this shirt, I'm just gonna keep it folded, not gonna cut it in half. For this shirt, I'm going to leave the shirt good side facing up, fold it in half like this, and pin where I'm going to sew the line. I'm going to sew a line right here and right here, like keeping like a little hole, small little hole, so I can slide the string through. It is done. This is the shirt that we sewed the 2 lines right here. I'm just going to take some elastic cord and safety pin it through. I'm just putting the little elastic cord through the hole of the safety pin at the bottom. And then I just loop the same thread to the other side of the shirt. Bam.
Something that is off more like it used to be. It was better, better, better. What you better be in love with someone else like we used to be.
Okay, so for this shirt, I'm going to cut out 2 straps first. Then I'm going to try to cut this piece the same width as this one. Then I'm going to cut out a small strap. I'm just going to cut this strap in half. Then I'm going to cut both of these little pieces in half. All I'm going to do is at the end, it's just fold it a little and then sew a line right down here, leaving like a little hole just like I did on a black shirt. Now I'm going to do that for both halves. Okay, so here's the long piece and then here's the small strap, and all I'm going to do now is put this string through the bottom holes of the shirt.
Something that is off more like it used to be. It was better, better, better. What you better.
Okay, so technically I didn't show you how I made this shirt, but I literally just made this shirt the exact same way I made the long black shirt. It's just one long piece of fabric.
Something that is off more like it used to be. It was better, better, better. What you better be in love with someone else like we used to be. I said it's something in the way that you look at.
Okay, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. I hope y'all make these shirts for real because they're really cheap, really easy, and worth making. So yeah, stay tuned for my next one and see you in my next one. Bye.
Bye.